Welcome to clickmeproject.com. This is our project title, Hybrid Job-Driven Scheduling for Virtual MapReduce Clusters. And this is our abstract. MapReduce is a framework for processing and managing large-scale data set in a distributed cluster, which has been used for applications such as generating search indexes, document clustering, access log analysis, and various other forms of data analysis. In existing system, a hash function is used to partitioning immediate data among reduced tasks. In this project, the system proposes a decomposition-based distributed algorithm to deal with the large-scale optimization problem. For big data application, and an online algorithm is also designed to adjust data partition and aggregation in a dynamic manner. And this is the data flow diagram of our project. First, we have to start the project. If we start with the project, we have to upload the data. The data means the data sets of which we is related to our project is any data sets. This has been to be produced in the Hadoop. Then we have to segmentation process. We have to do the segmentation process, and segmentation process we have to schedule the set of data sets into the set of jobs. After the segmentation process, we have to select any jobs to select any tasks to execute the specific data centers. The specific data center we have to segment get the segmented jobs and get the status of the data centers, which is the ideal and which is the active data centers. We have to assign any one of the data center which is running to any one of the job. Then if we select the job, we have to assign the data center, and then we have to assign the tasks. The task will be assigned for that specific data set which is active in the which is present in the services. Then after assign the task, the MapReduce will be performed and the performance results will be cached, and then take the data. The task will be processing in the data center which is selected by the selected for that job, and then we have to processing the task, and we have to get the performance results. Performance results in the sense we have to running time, and then speed calculations, speed up the data centers which is running the MapReduce process, and then we have to get the evaluation results, and then we have to show the performance results of that given set of tasks which is divided the clusters with the jobs. Then close the program. Now we have to see the demo of our project. Click home.java and right click on it and select run file option. After selecting the run file option, we have to get the home screen of the project, and then click start button to start the process. We have to start the process. We have to click. We have to load the data into the project. We have to load. Click, and then open that data set. The data set will be reloaded into the data loaded into the project. Some more time to take this process to run because of the large data set we have to deal. The whole data set will be loaded into the database. After database will be loaded, we have to get the message of database is loaded successfully. We have to load a file uploaded successfully. Then click OK. Then show that census data. So census data will be displayed. Then click next button. Then segmentation will be processed. The segmentation will be processed for generating the number of jobs, the number of packets. We have to generate. This is file segmentation will be processed. There are 5 segmentation are generated. 5 different jobs are generated in this process, and then click next button. You have to get there are five processes. You have to select any one of the project, any one of the jobs, and submit. Click submit to identify the data center which is used for that. Active data center is data center 1, idle data center 3. Job will be processed on the data center 1. The processing cost will be displayed and the communication cost will be displayed in the screen, and then click next button. Now we have to run the data center 1. Here click any port address and then connect. After connecting, click give localhost 4, then port address. Yes, address will be communicated, and then job will be sent to that process. Then accept that. Have to receive the, and job will be assigned to that server. After assigned to the server, the job will be executed in that. The phone will be executed in that data center 1. Click execute job, and then we have to generate the MapReduce process for that given job text job1.txt. The job will be executed in the MapReduce process in that data center 1, and view the details. There are total processing time and the processing cost, and the data arrival time will be displayed, and then we have to run. And we have to arrival rate. And we have to run the execution results. The execution results will be displayed, and then MLP process to get the non-joint optimization MILP. Okay, get that peak, and then flow of chunks value, and then weight, and then total energy cost. Next, find get flow of chunks, transmission rate on client, then weight, and then total cost, energy cost. Finally, we have to show that overall cost graph. Then close the windows of all the execution files, and then thanks to listen this video.